What's Milo doing, huh? Oh, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Ow!
Kill!
Ow!
Good boy. Good boy.
I really shouldn't encourage this.
Good boy.
Get that blankie. You had that blankie. There you go. Get that blankie. Get that blankie. Chomp. There you go. Chomp that. Oh, look at you. Kill that blankie. Kill that blankie. Is there a blankie monster in there? Whoa! Oh, blankie monster. There he goes. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Ow! Do the blankie again. Here we go. Ooh, you gonna kill Mama? Where you going?
Kill. Good boy.
You little stinker.
Some puppy treats.
Yeah, he does need some puppy treats. Oh, goodness. He can't chew on anything but Mama right now, though. He don't have enough teeth. Ow!
You don't have enough what? All right, look, mister. I'm going to hit play.